Hi, this is Rebecca with RebeccasRoadmap.com, and I want to tell you what I found in Michael's the other day. I just happened to look on their clearance aisle and found these. These are kids' markers. They are called Art Dabber or Art Dot markers, almost like bingo marker kinds of things. But I got them to experiment with to see if I'd like them. But they're just like made for your hands. They feel really good in your hands. So I thought that I could use these, and then when I was done with what's actually in them, I could use them and fill them with some maybe better quality inks. So that is what they look like. There's a little spongy dapper thing, and it's got the liquid inside. But what's good about these is you can cover a lot of surface area with them. So if you're doing an art journal page and you just want to, maybe I should shake this first. That might be a good idea. You just want to get some coverage going on and cover a lot of ground with these. I'm going to assume that they're going to get a little more saturated the more you use them. And again, these are just kids markers, so they're going to be probably pretty watered down. But what I didn't know about them is whether or not you could, yeah, you can add some water to them and kind of do some other fun things with them. So they do that a little bit. I'm just using some mixed media paper. This is a watercolor paper, so I don't want to get this too tremendously wet, but not as good as inks. But they'll let you do kind of watercolor-ish a little bit. I wonder, let's see if you put some water on there first. Kind of gives you a little more watercolor effect. But anyway, I just really got these because I wanted to play with them. So I thought I would share. Let's do a little color swatching and see what they look like. We've got purple, green, and they had multiple packs. I just got the little pack because I wanted to play with them, but they had some pearlescent ones. And if I didn't say that, I got these at Michael's. And they had like a big jumbo pack that had like black and brown and stuff in it. But I didn't know if I'd like them, so I didn't want to spend a tremendous amount of money. Now these were on sale, or I should say they were on clearance, so I didn't get to use a coupon, which I thought that my coupon would work, but evidently not. This is the neon set. So I'd say they're a little bit chalky, especially this one. Maybe I need to shake it a little better. But I thought that might be fun to play with anyway. And if I don't like them, then I will just dump them out and put something different in them. See what the blade looks like. I wonder what's up with that orange color, because that just kind of looks weird. That one's very like chalky. I wonder if it like, kind of dried out or something. Ooh, that's like highlighter yellow. That's kind of cool. Alright, and then the pink one. Ooh, that's kind of a pretty kind of rose color actually. I like like that. I really like all of them, but that kind of weird orange. That pink almost isn't like neonish. Kind of weird. There we go. That's a little bit darker anyway. So if you're wanting something new to play with, you might try getting some of the kids' dabber or dot markers. You can find them on Amazon. I'll link some down below, or you can find them at Michael's. I'm sure Hobby Lobby has them too, or just your local craft store. But this is just something to play with that can help you cover some ground. Once you get that lid, the tip down, you can kind of play with that a bit. And you can also make some dots, some different shapes. That might be something to add interest to your page. If there's any. And this is just some stock paper, like mixed media paper, and that did not go through. So there you go. They're the Creatology. This is the neon set of art dot markers. If you have anything like this that you use, please leave it in comments down below so that everyone else can know too. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, because, you know, why not? And if I find any other fun things, I will share them with you. See you next time. Bye.